Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. Today I have a recipe for brownies and it's really simple and it doesn't have anything out of the ordinary, but the result is delicious. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and here are the ingredients. Got some all-purpose flour, salt, cocoa, vanilla extract, baking powder, butter, eggs, chocolate chip sugar, and brown sugar. And it doesn't get any easier than this. So let's make these wonderful, best ever brownies. First, we're going to combine the butter with the sugars, and we're going to microwave it for about 3 minutes or until it starts bubbling. It's been 3 minutes and you can see it started to bubble. Now we're going to use a hand mixer and we're gonna mix it for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the cocoa powder, the flour, and the salt and baking powder into the wet ingredients, and we're going to mix them well until they're all mixed in. There are no dry spots. Now we're going to fold in the chocolate chips until they're well mixed in, and then we're going to pour it on a pre-greased baking dish, and then it goes into a preheated oven, 350, and we're going to let it bake for about 45 minutes, give or take. And we can always do the old toothpick in the middle and see how it comes out. Here we have our best ever brownies. I left it in the oven for 50 minutes because the glass pan, baking pan, takes a little longer than if you use a metal one. And here's the test with the toothpick. And we want it a little sticky crumbs, but we don't want it wet. So this is after 50 minutes and it looks good. And here we have best brownies ever. Easy recipe. They look yummy. They taste fantastic. I hope you like this video. It's a typical brownie, just the technique was a little different and they come out fabulous. Thank you for stopping by my channel and I see you in my next video. Bye!